Hey, hello everyone. Good morning. Can anyone confirm audible or not? Can you hear me? So, our today's workshop is related to one of the CSS most important topic. It's like positions. Okay. Tomorrow, one more topic. This is also very important. It's like flux. It's like flux. In CSS, okay, few limited topics only, 4 or 5 topics are there. The first topic is like how many ways apply styles, how many ways can apply styles, inline, internal, external. The next one is like box model. The next one is like box model. The next one is like selectors, very important. Selectors. The next one is like media queries. Okay, the next it's a kind of positions and flux. For animations purpose, we have one more topic is like a animations over there. These are the most frequently we are using. Okay. So our goal is like today we are going to cover like positions and tomorrow we are going to cover like flux. Okay. In the name itself, positions, CSS we are going to apply on elements, right? Everyone knows that one. Our topic is like positions means this particular element currently placed in one position. That position, if you want to change, okay, left, right, top, or bottom, if you want to change that element position, that is possible by using this particular topic called as a positions. By using margin also we can do, padding also we can do it, but okay, the most efficient way is like by using positions we can change the position of an element. So first of all, how many positions are there? How many positions are there? The next one is like there in CSS. The next one is like okay, how okay it is going to behave based on this type. So in CSS there has 5 positions over there. One is like static. Another one is like absolute. You can say absolute position. The next one is like static absolute. The next one is like relative. The next it is like fixed position. The next one is like sticky. The next one is like sticky. So overall in CSS there has 5 positions over there. One is like static position, the next one is like absolute position, the next one is like relative position, fixed position, and the sticky position. Let's take one by one. Okay, this is my static. Okay, absolute. Let me write some points. Okay, relative position, the next one is like a fixed position, the next one is like a sticky position. If anybody asks, hey, tell me something about a static position, what is this static position, tell me something about the static position. If anybody asks, see, very simple. I don't want to write any HTML or something. Okay, HTML file I don't want to create, just okay, here itself in the browser itself you can write some HTML code how you want to. After that you can, okay, you can refresh it, no problem at all. Okay, go to editor, just learning purpose, no need to go to any HTML. Just here itself you can do the changes. Now see, I opened google.com, any website you can open. Okay, just here, okay, let's do HTML, edit as HTML. Okay, remove everything, that's it. Here you can write whatever the code you want. It is also acting like editor only. Div, the next one is like h1, the next one is like one more, okay, span or something like this. Click outside. Now I have Sachin, Dhoni, Kohli is there. First one is like static position, na? First one is like a static position, right? Now I want to tell something about some of the CSS properties. You know, so many CSS properties, color, font size, font weight, that kind of CSS properties are there. Okay. In positions, there has okay, 4 CSS properties we are going to use. 4 CSS properties. What are you? Top. Okay. Change the position to top. Change the position to left. Change the position to right. Change the position to bottom. Okay. These are the 4 properties, CSS properties we are going to use in positions concept. These are the 4 CSS properties we are going to use in our positions concept. Now let me go to our browser. I have one element called as a div which contains Sachin is the content. Now what you observed, just let me know. I have one of the CSS property top. Did you find any change? Did you find any change? 100 pixel. Did you find any change? Is it applied? My top 100 is applied to my Sachin. Come on. No, na.
No.
Write like color red. Is it applied or not applied? See, color red. Is it applied or not applied?
Applied.
This CSS property applied, but top is not applied. By seeing this one itself, you can find it. Color red is like highlighted, but top is like in mute. Yes, no. Come on. Top is like in mute. Not only top, 4 properties I said. Next property is what? Bottom. Next property is what? Right. Next property is what? Left. Left. Okay, observe there are 4 properties also in the mute only, right? If the property in the browser is like mute, means simply by seeing that one you can understand like that particular property is not applied. Now my question is like, why not applied? My top, right to bottom, 100, 100, 100 I given, those are why not applied? That is my question. Now in my position, so these are the 4 properties. Along with that, you have to mention the position. 5 positions are there. I said static, relative, fixed, something like that, right? So you can apply the position by using which CSS property, you know, position CSS property. It's a static one. Okay, now see. Now my element position is what? What is the position? Static. Top, right to left to bottom is like highlighted in the mute. Come on. Highlighted or in the mute? In the mute. Now I am going to change the position. Listen. Okay, I am going to change the position to which one? Next one. Absolute. Whenever I change the position to absolute, something is like happened here. Yes or no? Position changed or not? Come on. My Sachin position changed or not? Changed. At the same time, see this top, right to bottom, left highlighted or not? That is one point you have to keep in your mind. The next one is like relative. Top, right to bottom, highlighted or not? That means it is like applied. Something is affected. Okay, how the value is like, okay, whenever you do the change, how it is like move the position, that is our next level discussion. But my goal is like top, right, left, bottom, when highlighted, when it is in the mute. That is my question. Next one is like fixed, highlighted in the mute.
Sir, your screen is not it displaying only first screen only, sir.
Can anyone confirm remaining people? Hello? Are able to see?
Clearly visible, sir.
Huh?
Clearly visible.
Screen
Visible,
is
right?
visible. Screen is visible, sir. That relative fix it you are changing, right? So that
Those are
is
visible
not.
or not visible? Remaining people.
It's visible, sir. Fixed. I'm able to see now.
Yeah. You can check my from your end. Okay,
Okay,
now
sir.
the next position is like what? Come on, next position is what? Sticky, na? Sticky. Then also applied or not. So come back to static. Come back to static. Applied or not applied? Not applied. Now, if you remove this one static, applied or not applied? Not applied. Now, what you observed, just give me some statements. If you write the position static, or if you not write also, my top, right, left, bottom not applied. That means, okay, my position static, there or not there, we are not able to apply top, right, left, bottom or not. So can I say my position static is like a default position or not? Not there also. Okay, behaving like what? Static position only or not? Whenever my element has the position static, then that time can I apply top, right, left, bottom? Whenever my element has the position static, can I apply top, right, left, bottom? No, no.
No.
See, these are in the mute now. There has one info symbol is there. Okay, I put the cursor on. Now can you tell me? Can you read it? The position is like a static property, prevents top from having an effect. That means, hey man, okay, the default position, I not applied position static, but still my position is static means what? It's a default position. Hey, the default position or position is like a static to my div. Whenever it is like a static, we prevent to apply the top property or not. Here bottom property, here right property, here left property or not. Yes or no? Tell me now. Write something about the static. What is static? It is a default position or not? Yes or no? Next, if it is like a static, can I apply top, right, left, bottom? We cannot apply top, right, left, bottom. That's it. These 2 points you can tell. That's enough. If anybody asks about the static position, okay, static is like a default position. Whenever my element has the static position, we are not able to apply top, right, left, bottom CSS properties. We are not able to apply top, right, left, bottom CSS properties. Now can you complete the first point for remaining 4? Come on, whenever my position is like absolute, can I apply top, right, left, bottom or not? Tell me. We can apply top, right, left, bottom. If my position is like relative, then we can apply top, right, left, bottom. If my position is like fixed, come on, first point I want to cover for all. We can apply top, right, left, bottom. If my position is like sticky, tell me. If my position is like sticky, can we apply or not? We can apply top, right, left, bottom. Now see, if anybody asks, hey, tell me absolute position, the first point you can tell, whenever the element has the absolute position, we can apply the 4 properties like top, right, left, bottom. That is the first point you can add for remaining all. Okay, remaining all 4 positions. But the static position is what you have to tell. Static position, what you have to tell? It's a default position. We cannot apply top, right, left, bottom. All are okay so far? Good. First point is okay, everyone? First point is okay or not okay? Come on, respond.
Okay, sir.
Okay, the next point, come on. Now focus on the first one is done. Okay, static is done. Come to the which position? Absolute position. Now what you observe, you only has to tell. Okay, now go to my, okay, just I want to edit as HTML. Okay, let me with this one. Okay, div Sachin. The next one is like one more div Dhoni. The next one is like one more div Kohli. Okay, any element you can put it. Just I prefer like div. That's it. Don't think more. Now listen and observe. First of all, observe carefully. Okay, let me know. By default, my div is which kind of element? Block level or inline? Div is which kind of element? Block level element or
Block.
Block level.
top level? Block level is nothing but it's take full width of your body or not. See, this is my div na. Is it occupy full width or not? Just give the background. Background equals to red. Okay, Dhoni. Background equals to green. Okay, the next one, Kohli, and my background equals to yellow, something like this. All are take the parent width only or not. Now observe clearly. Okay, now to my Sachin or Dhoni or Kohli, I want to apply the position absolute. Okay, to my Sachin only I want to apply position absolute. Can I apply? See, position absolute. What you observe, I am expecting from you. Position absolute in the browser. See what happened. Position absolute in the browser. What happened? In the browser, what happened?
Dhoni and
Making the
Sachin
content with
Dhoni and Sachin.
merged.
Dhoni and Sachin merged. Okay. Where is my
Sachin
Dhoni?
making the content with.
Perfect. That is one observation. Na? It is not take the full width. It is take the content width. See how much content? 43.55. Yes or no? If the position absolute is not there, okay, how much content? Width. What is the width?
650.
50.
650. Okay, now whenever you do the position absolute to any element, that element take content width only or not? That is one point. Yes or no? Come on, first observation. Okay, whenever we can apply top, right, left, bottom. Okay, whenever you apply the position absolute, okay, the element take content width. Yes. The next point, tell me. Next one. Now observe here, Dhoni na. Dhoni is there, okay, but it is in the background. If you want to see Dhoni, there or not there? Dhoni there or not there? There,
There.
There.
there. But the thing is, my Dhoni, see, in the past, my Dhoni in this position, but now it is go to my Sachin position or not. Then we can move. For example, in front of me, you are the person. Okay. Backside, one more person is there. When I can move, when I can go to your place, whenever you vacate, right? Whenever you left from there, then only I can go there or not. Yes or no? General thing. My Dhoni occupies Sachin space is nothing, but my Sachin should not occupy any space or not in the DOM. Yes or no? Come on, simple. Okay, still it is visible, that's okay, but it is not occupy any space in the browser or not. The proof is this one only. My Dhoni occupies Sachin means my Sachin has Sachin occupied some space or not occupied. Come on, in the DOM, occupied or not occupied?
Occupied.
Okay, here my Dhoni occupied Sachin space. Okay, what about my Sachin? What about my Sachin? My Sachin is not occupied any space, right? But still element is existed. That's okay. But my Dhoni occupied my Sachin space or not? Yes, no. When we can occupy the space? Okay, one person space when you can occupy, if that person is like vacate, right? Then only or not. Okay, so I can say like whenever the position is like an absolute, that particular element remove the space from the DOM or not. Whatever the space full width occupied in the past, that one is like removed from the DOM or not. Yes or no? Come on, this is only the proof or not. So what is the next point? It okay, remove the space from DOM, from the browser document object model. It remove the space or not. That's the reason my Sachin occupied with Dhoni. Agreed? These 2 points okay or not, everyone?
So if it is removed, then how we are able to see that?
Yeah, still element is there. Okay, it is not like display none or something, right? Element is there, but it is not occupied in the browser. Okay, it's a kind of okay, on the fly that element is there. Okay, but it is not specific space it is going to occupy. Understood? See, by seeing this one only you can see, you can understand. Sachin clearly occupy this space or not? Yes or no?
Yes.
Clearly occupy this space or not? My Dhoni occupies Sachin means what it meaning? If my Sachin not occupied, then only my Dhoni can occupy the Sachin space or not? Yes, no. Come on, general thing. But your question is like, still Sachin is there. Sachin, how it is not occupy means that Sachin is like, okay, in the browser, in the DOM, it is not take any space, but it still existed. The element is there. If the element is not there, then what is the use of this particular one to apply the Sachin? You have to move the position, right? Yes or no? Got my
Yeah.
point? Agreed with me, all? It remove the space from the DOM. Okay, now everyone, 2 points are okay. These 2 points, so can you apply for relative fixed sticky also? Can I? Come on. My question is, if my position is like relative, it's take the content width, okay, same width, tell me. Can I change the position absolute to relative? Yes. Now tell me, is my Sachin take the content width, same width?
Same width.
Same width, right? It is not change anything. So, okay, there is no change in the width, right? No change, no change in the width. Okay, it is like inline only, block level only. But here, block level to inline current or not? Next one is what? Remove the space from the DOM or not?
Not.
Not, right? Okay, Sachin still occupied. That's the reason Dhoni after Sachin, right? So it is not remove the space from down. 2 points, okay? Shall we go to the next one? Fixed. Tell me, fixed. What do you want me to do? Tell me. Can I change the position? If I
Yes.
change the position fixed, okay, tell me. My Sachin take content width, parent width, same width.
Content
Content
width.
width.
Content width. See, now it is my element take content width. Remove the space from the DOM or not?
Remove.
Yes.
Remove the space from DOM. Remove the space from DOM. Okay, shall we go with the sticky? Shall we go with the sticky? Sticky. Tell me. Come on. No change in the width. Next one.
Not
Not
remove.
not remove the space from DOM. If you observe, relative and sticky is like first 3 points same, fixed and absolute first 3 points are like same or not? Yes or no? Come on.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but important point is the next point, that is only differentiate, okay, one position to another position. Up to here there is no change in the absolute as well as fixed. There is no change in the relative as well as sticky. Okay, if you tell up to here, we not differentiate between the positions. Okay, so that the next point is very important. What is the next point, you know? Let's come to absolute now. Okay, let's answer this question. Can we apply top, right, left, bottom or not if it is like an absolute position?
Yes, we can.
Yes, we can. We can. Okay, if you able to apply top, right, left, bottom, if you are able to apply top, right, left, bottom, you need to move it, right? You need to move it. My question is, if you want to move top, if you want to move right, if you want to move left, okay, you have to calculate, right? Okay, top this much, right this much, left this much, okay, bottom this much. You have to calculate or not. Top 100 is nothing but, okay, some particular point is required. From there you can calculate 100 or not. Yes or no? If that point is not there, how we can calculate 100? How we can calculate left 100? How we can calculate right 100? That particular reference point is required or not? If the reference point is there, yes, obviously you can calculate or not. Now my question also, whenever my element position is like an absolute, we can apply top, right, left, bottom. Okay, from which point you want me to calculate? Top 100, left 100, top, okay, bottom 100. That reference point is what for absolute? That is the question. Understood the fourth point? Everyone understand the fourth point? What is my fourth point? If my position is like an absolute, it's take which one as a reference to calculate top, right, left, bottom. Okay, now I have a, okay, div Sachin. I have one div Sachin. Okay, only one element you can take it, no problem. So this particular div, I applied my position. My position is like absolute. My position is like absolute. And then my top is like 100. Okay, first this is not there. This is not there. If it is not there, how my Sachin rendered in the browser? Tell me. This is my browser. Okay, na? This is my browser. Browser high level element is what? That means root element is what?
HTML.
HTML. So this is my HTML, you can say. In the HTML, how many elements are there? Direct children's. In the
Head, body,
HTML, how many
Head,
direct children are there?
head to body.
Two. Head. How
body,
many direct children are there? Head,
body,
body. Head display property is what?
none,
This is my HTML. Head display none. Okay, that is not visible. Leave it. Body display is what?
block,
Block. So it's take the parent width and margin is how much is there?
8,
8 pixel. For all sides, it is like having 8 pixel gap or not. So that this is my HTML. This is my HTML. In the HTML, I have head, I have body. Head display none. The next one is like I have body. Body has how much margin? 4 sides. Body has how much margin? 4 sides.
8.
8 pixel or not. That's the reason. Okay, this is my body. This gap is there, na? This gap, and this gap, and this gap, left margin, top, right, left, bottom. Okay, all these like margins or not. Okay, na? This is my body. In the body, which element is like placed? In
div,
the body, which element is like placed?
div,
Sachin, so that my Sachin by default visible like this. Yes or no? Everyone is okay. Okay, when if this particular CSS not applied, now you apply this CSS. Whenever you apply the CSS, okay, the position is like an absolute top 100 means. Can you tell something about the positions? Points, first 3 points are what? If the element has the position absolute, we can apply top, right, left, bottom. Okay, the element which take content width, the element which removes the space from the DOM, these 3 points are not. Now, my value is like what? Top. What is my top value?
100,
Top value is what? 100. So if you want to calculate 100, one reference point is required. If you know the reference point for absolute, okay, from there I can calculate 100 or not? Yes or no? I
yes,
can calculate 100 or not? So which one is the reference point? That is the question. If it is like an absolute position, what is the reference point? Very simple answer. My reference point is what you know. My reference is like my parent as a reference. My parent as a reference. Who is the parent for my div? Who is the parent for my
body,
div?
Body.
Body. So my body has how many sides? My
4,
body has how many sides? Tell me, element. All the elements have how many
4 sides,
sides? 4 sides.
4
This is
sides,
the left side. Oh, it is the bottom top side. Oh, it is the bottom right side. Oh, it is the bottom side. So this is a line, right? Left line, right? On the left line, the left value is like what? 0. On the top line, my top value is like what? 0. Here right value 0, here bottom value 0. So top 100 I have to calculate now. So that my parent is this one. From here I can calculate 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Top 100 up to here we can calculate. Now my Sachin is going to place here or not? My Sachin is going to place here or not? Agreed, everyone? Okay, let's take which one as a reference?
Parent.
Parent bit.
Parent has a reference, but that is not the correct one. One slight change we have to do in the statement. Okay. Now, if I write like instead of 100, top 0. If I write like instead of 100, top 0, then that time tell me my Sachin should be where? My Sachin should be
Collides with the body.
my body top is this one. Okay, in this particular top, okay, this is my body top, right? Okay, here my Sachin supposed to be placed or not as per our statement? Yes or no?
Yes.
As per our statement, it should be here. Okay, now can we execute this one? Is it really my statement is correct or some changes are required? Shall we? Okay, let's go. Now refresh it. Now edit as HTML. I need only one element. Okay, search in. Okay, by default there is like 3 more elements placed. Okay, for differentiate purpose, just I want to add like borders. My border 1 pixel solid red for my HTML. For my body, I want to apply border is like 1 pixel solid blue. Okay, are you able to differentiate body this one? Yes or no? Are you able to differentiate or not? Body to HTML gap is there. What is that gap?
8.
Body to HTML gap is there. That is what? Margin.
Margin.
Body margin. What is margin? The element which is expanded outside the border or not? Okay, then. Now go to where? Div. I'm going to add position absolute. Okay. Position absolute. I'm going to add like position absolute. It removes the space from the DOM. That's okay. Now I'm going to write like top 0. Now where it is went? Body, okay, or it is go to the HTML.
Body.
Body, na. Okay, if it is like body, then the time this is the line to my body. Okay, simple. Okay, I'm going to give some height for our understanding purpose. Height equals to 100 pixel. Now tell me, it is like to my body, it is like HTML, taking as a reference. Come on, body reference, HTML reference.
HTML.
HTML reference, right? If it is like a body reference, body margin is this one, my body border. This is 0, it is expanded, or that means exceeded or not? Okay, body reference means it should be like this here. Okay, position relative. Now I can say it is a body reference. But is it like take the body reference or HTML reference?
HTML.
Body or HTML? It is like HTML reference or not? Now your statement is wrong or right or no? What I said, if the element has the position absolute, it takes the body, okay, it takes the parent as a reference, but it is not take the parent as a reference. It is go to the next parent. That next parent is like HTML. It takes the HTML as a reference, not parent as a reference or not. So what's wrong with this? Okay, very simple answer. Let's go. Now your statement is correct only, but slight change is required. Whenever the element has the position absolute, okay, listen carefully. Whenever the element has the position absolute, it is take the parent as a reference. But when it is takes the parent as a reference, my parent should have other than static position. The point is what? My parent should have other than static position. Who is the parent of my div? Tell me. Who is
Body.
the parent of my div? Body. My body has by default which position?
Static.
Static. But as per my statement, when my element takes the body as a reference, body should have other than static. But my body has the static position. That's the reason it's not take the body as a reference. Who is the next parent? It's traveled to the next one. Who is the next parent?
HTML.
HTML.
HTML, right? Okay, in between no one is there. HTML. So that it is go to HTML. By HTML is like which kind of element? Static by default static only. But after HTML, anything is there? Anyone is there to move? No, na.
No.
Finally, take the HTML as a reference or not. So that if my position, okay, if my element has the position absolute, it takes the parent width. When it takes the parent width means if the parent has other than static. If my parent is not having other than static, then it takes the next parent. If that one also not there, go to the next parent. Not that one also there, not there, go to the next parent. Who is the last parent? Who is the lot? HTML. Till HTML it is going to travel. In between somebody is there. Yes, that one is going to take as a reference. Now, here body na, I'm going to add like position relative. Now it takes the which one is reference? Body na HTML.
Body.
Body. Why it takes the body? See the definition. If the element has the position absolute, it takes the parent as a reference. When if my parent has other than static, there or not there? Come on, my parent has other than static. There or not there? There, right? See, the position relative is there. Other than static only, na? So that it takes that one as a reference or not. This is the one point you have to, yeah, that is only the important point. Okay. It take parent as a reference if the parent has
Other
other, not only static, not having static position. If it is having static position, okay, if it is having static position, okay, it go to next parent like this or not. Okay, which parent has the not static position? Okay, which parent has not having the static position? That one only it is going to take as a reference. That's it. Absolute clear, everyone? Whenever the element has the position absolute, we can apply top, right, left, bottom. If we apply position absolute, it takes only the content width. Okay, if the position is like an absolute, it's like what? It's going to remove the space from the DOM. That's the reason the next element is going to occupy that particular absolute position element space. Whenever the element is like position absolute, it takes the parent as a reference when if the parent has other than static. If my parent has other than static. Agreed? If my parent has static position, go to the next parent. Okay, that parent also next parent. Okay, finally it is go to HTML. It takes the HTML as reference. In between, in the hierarchy, in between, any element has the position other than static. It take that one as a reference. All are okay? Come on, the same point apply here. Relative also we can apply top, right, left, bottom. Na? It take which one as a reference? That is the question. Take which one as a reference. Now I am going to remove this position relative. Okay, parent one, just I am going to remove it. Okay. This is the one. Okay. Now my div has which position? Which position? Relative position. Now you only tell by seeing this one point. It's take which one as a reference?
Body.
Body is nothing but what?
Parent.
Parent. Perfect. Okay, I'm going to do the change and then you can, okay, you can, are you stick with the same statement or not? Just let me know. Edit as HTML. Before this one, I'm going to add here my H1 only. Now, okay, now. Now, will you stick with that statement or not? This is my searching. My position is like relative. Okay, top like 100. Is it like body as a reference? Is it like body as a reference? Tell me. Is it take the body as a reference?
No.
No, right? No, right? Then what?
Cohli.
Huh?
It takes Cohli.
It's take which one as a reference? Very simple here.
Its parents.
The current position as a reference. Currently where I am, that is only 0. Currently where I am, that is only the 0. Okay, you see, if it is not there also, currently I am here. Okay, if you apply top 0 also, I am here. Not only top. Okay, if I put like left 0, okay, I am only here. All the values, all the properties, zeros, left, right, top, bottom. Okay, all the values zeros pointing to the same position. Why? Because okay, by default it's going to take like what? If my position is like a relative, okay, my reference point is like current position only, currently where I am. Okay, from here only you need to calculate. So left to 0. Now if I move like this, now see it is like moved or not. Now top 0, I am here only. Okay, it's like moved or not. Say this. Now tell me, if my position is like a relative, it's take which one as a reference? It's take which one as a reference? Is it like a parent as a reference? It's take my current position as a reference.
Current position.
Current position.
Position as a reference or not? Yes or no? Can I write that point? If it is like a relative, okay, it's take my current position as reference. Okay, na? That is about relative. What about fixed? First 3 points are okay. Okay, next point is what? If I apply top, right, left, bottom, it's take which one as a reference? Shall I? Okay, go to this. Okay, remove this left to top. Okay, after that we can add it. Okay, I want to remove this left value and the top value. Just remove it. Okay, I want to apply position fixed. Position fixed. Okay, if I apply top 0, tell me it is which one as a reference? It is which one as a reference? Come on. It is the body as a reference. HTML as a reference.
HTML.
HTML.
As a reference. Now, who is the parent of my div? Who is the
Body.
parent of my div? Body. Is my body has other than static or not? No. Okay, can I write like position relative? Yes. Other than static is there. Is it take the body with the body as a reference? Still HTML as a reference?
HTML.
HTML as a reference. If it is like an absolute now, this is like body as a reference it is going to take. Now you can conclude on one point. Okay, if my position is like a fixed, it is always take the viewport visibility area as a reference. Now for example, okay, can you come here? Okay, it is not take the parent, it's nothing, it's like visibility area as a reference. Now this is my Sachin. Okay, now it comes to bottom is like 0. Now see here, visibility area, this one, see this viewport. It is take viewport as a reference or not? Visibility area. My HTML up to here only. But the viewport is this much or not? Body viewport. Yes or no? Come on. It is take which one as a reference? Viewport as a reference. Okay, now
But HTML
here.
only viewport, right?
No. Now see HTML, it's not like that. Okay, see this HTML up to here only, right? You can cover height is look 100% to 100 VH, something like this. You can add it. Okay, it is not meaning like total HTML is occupies your viewport. See this. This is on the proof, na?
Okay.
Okay, it's take the viewport as a reference. My Sachin, I want to hear. Can I place how you can place? Now Sachin, I want here in this position. Okay, now very simple. Now you can go to the top. Okay, bottom. Okay, not right 0. Okay, can I take like what? Right? Tell me 0. The next one. Can I take like top? 500 pixel, for example, 300 pixel, 300 pixel, okay, or 200 pixel. Now it is okay. Yes. Now listen carefully. It is like placed. One more point I want to add it. First point is done. Let's take viewport as a reference. Next point is what you know. Now, okay, huge content is there. Then that time, okay, you can see like what scroll na. You can see the scroll or not. If it is like having huge content, whenever I do the scroll, the content is like scrolling, but my fixed position element always fixed to that particular position or not. Yes or no? Irrespective of your scroll. Agreed? Come on. Agreed everyone or not? Okay, so these 2 points you can add. Okay, tell me. First point. It's take which one as a reference? It's take which one as a reference?
Viewpoint. Viewpoint.
Take viewport, visibility area, viewport as a reference. Okay, irrespective of scroll, irrespective of scroll. The fixed position element, the fixed position element. Tell me, always stick to that position or not? Always, okay, stick to that position or not? It is not scroll, it is always stick to that particular position or not, irrespective of your scroll. Agreed? Come on.
So, sir, uh, then we can normally use like heading and footer. That time just we can use na. Then it's not scroll example.
It's not scroll. Most of the times, footer you can always in the bottom only. That is like fixed position only. For example, you can take like our website VTS School. Okay, now see. Okay, there has okay. This one is like scrolling, but my footer is like what? Always like okay. Header is not okay. Not required. Header is always there only. Okay, we are going to add one more feature there. Okay, now see. This one is there na footer. Okay, can you inspect it? My footer how it is looks like. Okay, now this is my footer. My position is like what? My position is
Fixed.
like what? Fixed, right?
Fixed.
Is always fixed to that particular one or not?
Okay, sir.
Great. All are okay. Okay, like that you can stick anything. Now see this one is there now. Okay, it is like irrespective of scroll. Always it is there only or not? See this. Irrespective of scroll, this particular button always visible there itself or not? Yes or no? Okay, that is also which position?
Fixed.
Fixed position or not? Okay, na? Okay, tell me something about fixed position. Tell me
Uh,
something about fixed position.
Fixed positions we can apply top, right, left, bottom, and
If
it
the
takes
element is like fixed position, we can apply top, right, left, bottom. Next,
the content with
it's take only the content width. Next,
it's remove the element
remove
from
the
the
space from
DOM
the down. Next,
space.
next. If the position is
Position
like fixed, it is always take viewport as a reference. Okay, next. It is always takes viewport as a reference. Next, come on.
the position is
Irrespective of
not
your
changed.
scroll, it is always stick that element to that particular position or not. Agreed, everyone? Hmm? Shall we move to the next one? Sticky. Okay, na? Any questions so far? Okay, then let's go with the sticky. Okay, what is the sticky? You know, okay, not here. Hmm, some websites. Okay, very simple. Whenever I scroll, this particular menu is there na, that menu dynamically I want to stick. Okay, whenever I scroll, okay, when I my menu reach to top 0, there I want to stick it. Okay, now I'm going to write one simple, okay, web page you can easily understand. Okay, let's go. Here itself I'm going to write, what do you know, edit as HTML. One div I can take it, my header. Okay na, the next div I can take it. Okay, in the header, my first web page. Okay, na? Div. Okay, here. Okay, this is my menu. Okay, in the menu, just I want to add like some of the menu items: anchor, home, about to contact, something like this. Okay, anchor, yeah, home, about, and contact. Content. The next one is like what? I need one more div content. Div some content, whatever it may be. Okay, the next one is like there has one more div. Okay, rights belongs to me. This is my photo. Just think like that. Okay, just click on it. This is the one. First, go to the body. Margin is not required, so that margin is like 0. Next div, go to my header. Okay, here my position. Okay, now my what you can say, a font size 30 pixel or 50 pixel. Okay, text align is like center, and my background equals to yellow. And what you can give, my padding I want to give top bottom padding I want. How you can give the top bottom? Top 10 pixel, and right I don't want 0 pixel, 0 pixel. Okay, done. My header is ready. And the next one is like footer. I want footer always in the bottom, so my position, okay, my background equals to yellow. Next, my background equals to yellow. Next,
Position fixed.
my position is like fixed. My bottom equals to 0, and I want full width equals to 100%, and I want text line is like center, and my font weight equals to bold. Done. Okay, done. What is the next one? Let's go to the
Body.
menu. Okay, this is my menu. Where is my menu? This is the one.
Yeah. In single div only we returns.
Just you can go to the body. Okay, edit as HTML. Okay, this is my body and this is my div. Okay, here I need like one more div. Okay, that one I want to close. Where here I want to close it. Here I want to close it. After that, do we have content and everything? Just click outside. Now this div is like my menu. Okay, na? So shall we do something? My menu I want. Uh, what you can say? I want like a height, line height. Okay, 20 pixel, and my background is like yellow. I don't want yellow, but put like yellow. Just you can change it how you want the background. Okay, by using color pan. Okay, just I want to put like 30 pixel, and my menu I want text align is like left side or right side, something like this. You can put it. Okay, now this is my content. Okay, the content, that has huge content is there, height equals to 1000 pixel. Okay, done. This is my simple page. Okay, now what I'm doing, okay, this is my first page, home, about, contact. These are my menu items. Okay, now whenever you do scroll, my content is there na. Whenever I do scroll, yes, okay, I'm scrolling, and I read everything, okay, till end. Okay, now I want to move to about page. Then what you have to do? Again, you have to go back. Again, you have to go back and click on the about or not. So what I'm saying is, you can scroll it, no problem. But menu, whenever my menu reaches top 0, can you stick there? Whenever my menu reaches top zero, can you stick there? Don't scroll the menu. Only menu don't scroll it. Remaining all you can scroll it. So how we can make it? Dynamically, my element should stick to that particular position dynamically. So where is my menu? This is my menu, na? Okay. So can I apply like position sticky? Now top, whenever top reaches zero, now see, whenever I move like this, whenever my top reaches zero, see the menu sticked and remaining content is like a scroll or not? Yes or no? Come on. Agreed? So dynamically you stick one element to that particular position or not? Then you can go with what? Sticky position or not? Then, come on. Okay, it's take viewport. Okay, dynamically stick one element to that particular position. Dynamically stick. Dynamically stick the element to that position. Dynamically stick to that element to that position. Dynamically stick the element to that position. Understood, everyone? Got my point? All are okay? Agreed? Positions? All are okay or not? Tell me. Got some idea now?
Yes, sir. So exactly in normal, which one where we can use that?
Absolute and relative. Okay, based on the requirement. Fixed also. Okay, relative. Okay, absolute. Based on the requirement, we are going to use. All are going to use. Okay, sticky is like default one. Everything we are going to use. Okay. Okay, relative when we are going to use means I need a position. I don't want to change any behavior. Then the time we are going to use like relative. Okay. I don't want to take the viewport. Still, I want to move the element position. Then the time you can go with the absolute. Okay, I want to take the viewport like this fixed position, but footer and go top buttons, go top button, that kind of stuff, fixed position or not. The menu, if you want to stick somewhere, then the time you can go with the sticky or not. Everything we are going to use based on the requirement. It's not like, okay, this one, not like that. Each and every position has their own features based on the requirement. You have to use it. Agreed, everyone?
Okay, sir.
Okay, so tomorrow you can join the same time 9. Okay, we'll discuss something like flux.
Yeah, sir. Can you share these notes in the chart?
Okay, this notes I'm going to share. Go to the Kalam Schools notes workshop. Yeah. Okay, you can download from here.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, then thank you guys. Thanks for joining. Okay, we'll continue the things in the next session. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.